Guys, I'm actually like speechless right now. Oh my goodness. Wait, look. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Man, Samal is so underrated. Hey. Hey guys, my name is Cheno.
My name is Alex.
And welcome to Cheno and Alex. Today we're in Samal Island at Davao City and we're so excited to explore this island for the first time. Let's go! Morning! Here's our tricycle for the day taking us around the island. So exciting. For our first stop of the day, we are at Canibad Beach. The beach looks incredible, you guys. Unfortunately, the sun literally just disappeared as we were walking onto the beach, but as you saw from the scooter footage, the water was so clear. So hopefully the sun comes out again. Look at the color of the water, guys. Oh my goodness. It's so like blue. That's incredible. So you can actually step down here. There's stairs, but there's also like the actual beach itself with the sand. So why don't we head over there and set up our stuff.
So we actually had to pay, guess how much? I'm kind of not happy about it. It's $5.50 for a day tour. But I mean, this is it though. Like you don't really get anything else than I guess going to the beach. But yeah, $5.50 for a day tour for two of us. So yeah.
That $5.50 is the entry to the resort and then the access to this beach. I'm not sure if you can avoid that because there's resorts like surrounding this beach, and so I think you're gonna have to pass one of them. So that's very steep. Wouldn't recommend if you're not staying for longer than like 2 hours or 3 hours. We're only here for about, I don't know, probably under an hour for sure, since we only want to spend a bit of time and then obviously see more of Samal Island. Oh my goodness, the sun is out and this is looking pristine, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. So this is what Canibad Beach looks like in full bloom. Wait, beaches don't bloom, but you know what I mean. Look at that. I actually want to go in now.
I know the right times when you're feeling surrounded, but I think you should know by now. From the golden domes of Bulgaria, I've been cold Himalaya. I'll be following you for the ride. From the blinding lights of Chicago through the streets of Santiago, I will always be there and by your side. Sometimes we get stubborn, we forget where we come from.
That water looks so good behind.
How pristine does this look? Oh my gosh. It's so clear, you guys. And from above, it looks so nice and blue as well. There's a lot of like shells and rocks on the beach itself, but in the ocean, there's still a lot. It doesn't hurt as much though, so yeah, you should definitely come in here because it's actually nice and cool, especially with the sun out like this. This is the perfect spot for a refreshing dip. That's going in the take. In the vlog. Anyway, let's go in.
It's actually a little bit cloudy today. I don't know if Cheno mentioned that already. Now the sun is out.
Yeah.
And it's actually really hot in Samal, like in Davao in general. Like it's a different kind of warm.
Even though it's cloudy today, the sun is coming in and out.
Yeah.
So right now the sun is out and it's looking, looking amazing. Look at that, you guys. This is the perfect spot for a refreshment dip.
Refreshment? A drink?
This is the perfect spot for a refreshing dip. We're gonna go to another spot after this, but we don't really know much of Samal. Kuya did have recommendations, so it's a bit of a surprise to us. In the meantime, let's jump in.
So we're currently here at Aloro Beach and we actually just paid for our entrance, which is 100 pesos per adult.
That's a lot better.
That's actually so much better and we cannot wait to see what it's like.
Yeah, we don't know what to expect, so let's go in. Oh my goodness, you guys. This
Our view
beach
right now.
This is a lot better, especially there's 100 pesos as well.
This is so nice.
Oh my goodness, welcome to Aloro Beach.
10 past 12, sitting crisscross on the floor, scrolling through photos from way before. Got my head missing how we used to be, wishing I could see you just as.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Snap Wireless, and this time we have the powerbank mini, which is my personal favorite, as I'm always on the go. It is MagSafe compatible, ideal for iPhones, and you can even pair it with Snap Mag clear case for an even stronger hold. It has 15 watts fast charging and 18 watts power delivery via USB-C for fast charging. It charges to 50% in just 30 minutes. It also has a finger loop to keep it secure and comfortable while you're on the go. Click the link in the description to know more about the powerbank mini and use code chenogoes1 for 5% off. Now let's get back to the video. Oh my gosh, look, it literally is so beautiful here. It reminds me of like Boracay actually.
Oh my, yeah, it's so pristine.
The sand is so nice.
Oh my goodness. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna say it right now. Honestly, that other place. Just go to Aloro Beach. 100 pesos. This is the thing though. It's an hour from our accommodation, so it is a long ride, but look at this.
It is so nice. I could actually spend all day here.
So,
and the beach is actually very vast, which is good too.
I mean, that's why we're making these vlogs for you guys, so you know where not to go. We're showing you where not to go, but also where to go. Alright, I can't wait to go in this.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm actually like speechless right now. Oh my goodness. Wait, look. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Yeah, Samal is so underrated, hey.
It is so good here.
What we noticed is that locals visit here because it's so close to Davao City.
Yeah.
Literally a 10-minute boat ride.
Yeah, that's it. But there's a lot of resorts here in Samal which I think are very popular, so people just stay in their resorts too.
Yeah.
Unlike us, we like to look around the island and travel, explore.
We want to get you off your butt and into the beautiful nature. Like, Philippines has so many gems. Everyone goes to Boracay, but you gotta get out of Boracay. You can check out El Nido, everyone goes there too. But now you can also go to Samal. I mean, look at this. That's insane, you guys. Legit okay kayo ng beach dini. Dini. Can you comprehend this right now?
I cannot comprehend.
I comprehend. I don't believe it. But like, look how calm the water is. And then look how clear it is. Like, you can see
like
Alex's
pool.
toes. Yeah. I mean, your legs.
We need to blur that.
Blur that. Damn, I'm so happy to be here. I think we're a little salty at the previous beach, paying 550 pesos. Like, if you pay that much, you should stay there for like 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 days.
3 to 4 days. No, 3 to 4 hours. But if you have a big group, obviously that's worth it. There's only 2 of us. So this is more worth it.
Yeah, I would recommend for you to come to Aloro Beach. Just go all the way down here. It's really, really beautiful.
Yeah.
You can think it through, I just can't get over you. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? I don't think you want it as bad as you know I do. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? Oh, how do I keep you?
Next stop, third beach, we're at Kaputian Beach. This one is only 50 pesos per person, so even a lot more cheaper.
Yeah.
But we'll see how good it actually is. It's currently sunset, so that's gonna be so nice to see.
So we just had to pay extra 100 pesos for...
Yeah.
I actually don't know what for.
There's so many hidden fees here in the Philippines, guys, so
Yeah.
just watch out. Sometimes it's not what they advertise.
Yeah. So sad. So the earning open from 7 to 5 p.m.
That's a good amount of time.
It's actually 4:20 now.
We've got about a half hour to enjoy this place, which is fine because we do want to see, hopefully, one more place so we can really show you guys the beauty of Samal. I mean, the previous beach alone kind of
It's just beautiful.
yeah,
already.
kind of
That
showed it
was
already, but check this one out. So empty right now, maybe because it's the end of day or that it's a weekday, everyone's at work. Look at the sand, it's so soft, huh?
Yeah. Kaputian means
White.
white sand, so
Yeah.
obviously that's why.
It's so nice and
It's really
bright.
nice.
This is a really nice chill spot if you want somewhere quiet to end the day.
The sunset is literally like right here.
Yeah,
Which
literally
is a
like,
cool spot for sunset viewing.
yeah, if you want your eyes to burn. Look straight at it. Oh, that actually looks so chill. The water looks so like
Cold.
wave. Yeah. Oh damn, that's chilly. Hey. The backdrop looks crazy, guys. There's like light rays and stuff here. Oh, there's like light rays and stuff. That looks nuts. Look at it. Water's nice and chilly though, huh?
It's so cold. The sun is gone now, so it's a bit cold.
Yeah. It's because it's been so long since we were in the ocean, so we don't know what it feels.
I don't know what it feels like to be in the water.
Yeah.
If the sun were actually out, I think you would have seen this water so clear and blue, like the one in Aloro. Aloro, is it beach?
Yeah, Aloro Beach.
But right now, obviously, there's no sun, and
look at the clouds though.
it's still good.
There's pretty gray behind you.
Yeah, it's like pretty much all around us. I think we might have to go soon because it's nearly 5 o'clock. Like I said before, we have to leave at 5. Like they close at 5. So
but sunset's at
you
6.
can't really watch the sunset from this here.
That sucks.
But there's other beaches obviously along this area that are really nice too.
But I think we know another spot to see the sunset.
So we will see you in the next video.
Go. No.
So we'll see you at the next stop. So we just made it here at Bluebird View Deck and oh my gosh, the views here are incredible. There's a sound in the background. It's just that there's a wedding here currently, which is pretty cool.
I guess this is like a venue.
Yeah.
So you can host your weddings and parties or something.
Yeah.
But it's such a vibe right now with the rainfall and the sunset. It's looking. I don't know if you can see. Let me show you. Does that look like? What? I don't know if you can tell, but with our own eyes, it looks stunning, you guys.
It just looks hazy for you, but it's actually really beautiful.
If you want to end your day here, hopefully there's no wedding or
any events happening.
Yeah, and you can just enjoy some peace at this view deck.
I want you to be happy even without me. What I give to make you feel right.
We have now checked in at Costa Azalea and we're gonna have breakfast.
Let's go eat. So the restaurant is actually surrounded by their cabins. Morning. Oh, they're there. There's a stop over there. And we can't wait to show you more of this resort. But first, we've got to eat breakfast because we are hungry. All right, show us what we're having for breakfast.
So these are the breakfast menu. They got Filipino and like American. I guess just omelette as well.
And then plenty of drinks as well.
Yeah.
Iced and hot coffee.
It looks so good.
Tea. So we're just going to quickly order and then we'll show you what we're going to get. All right, you guys. So our breakfast has arrived. I've ordered the pancake with eggs and ham.
And I have the waffle with egg and bacon. And we also got our drinks.
Yeah, I just got a Americano.
And I got a caramel latte. So where we're eating at right now, it's actually surrounded by cabins. And I think there's about 12 here. And
14.
14?
I think so.
That is actually pretty good. And right now we're at Captain Barbuza where they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And they close at 10 p.m.
Yeah, normally at 10 p.m. So it's actually quite a niche resort experience here at Costa Azalea because they personalize your stay here. We don't know much about Samal Island, so they called up a tricycle driver to tour us around and show us the best spots. We're not familiar with this island, so thank you again to the staff at Costa Azalea for organizing it for us. And even just, the whole aqua water park and the pool right by the ocean, it's truly immersive here because you're right by the ocean and it's quite beautiful, and everyone can enjoy the water park as well.
This is a tranquil place because we were actually by the pool at sunset last night.
It's
and
beautiful.
Oh my goodness, the ocean view, and you could see the city from afar. It was so nice.
So if you're looking for a getaway from the city, you want somewhere new, a more luxurious experience, come to Samal Island, stay at Costa Azalea, and you'll definitely have an amazing time here.
So we just finished breakfast and we want to quickly show you what's inside.
It's so cool, guys. You've got these bracelets, so you just tap to open.
It is pretty spacious for a compact, narrow design. So it's like a cabin, but we're gonna start off with this area here. So we have a table and I guess a mini kitchen here too, which is pretty good. Look at this feature mirror behind me.
It looks so cool.
It is so cool.
So turn it off and on. Show them how to do it. There you go.
And then there
Fancy.
is so nice.
Yeah.
So you got a shower.
It's actually quite spacious too, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So this is the little corner living space we've got here. You've got a couch that you can actually pull open. But yeah, you've got the massive TV, got aircon in this room, and Alex is about to show us. This is what we did last night, or like the past 2 nights, and we kind of angled it facing the TV as well. So we'll show you the room.
So now we're in the bedroom. There's actually a bunk bed and a queen or a double bed over on that side. So it fits 5 people, which is pretty good. But yeah, it's so cozy here. So we stayed here last night. It was just a really relaxing time.
It's honestly so nice to stay here for our anniversary week, so thank you so much to Costa Azalea for letting us stay here. We hope you enjoyed today's vlog, you guys. It was so fun exploring Samal, and there's definitely more to see. So I think we're gonna have to come back a second time, and that's what I love if you don't kind of see everything in one day.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave it a like.
And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. So we'll see you in the next vlog where we explore more of Davao.